Good morning, our lecturers. I would like to say thank you for coming today. It's great to see you all. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Herna Nikita Purba as project manager, and my partner are.
My name is Novel Gabrielus Marwun.
And I'm Marino Wenceslas Solang.
And my name is Lovinta Hutagalung.
In this opportunity, we would like to present about Information System Facilities and Infrastructure, the Institute of Technology.
Our topic is Information System Facilities and Infrastructure, Dell Institute of Technology. Background. Due to the inefficient reporting to maintenance for students, because many of students usually report to their supreme dormitory, also many of miscommunication between users of facilities and infrastructure at Dell Institute Technology to the maintenance staff. This is the main cause of the frequent occurrence of neglect, damaged facilities and infrastructure at the Dell Institute of Technology. The Dell Institute of Technology community, especially students, usually report through CHIS with limited function available regarding damage to the facilities and infrastructure at the Institute of Technology to the staff are very ineffective. Development of information system website for facilities and infrastructure at the Dell Institute of Technology by bringing the hope of overcoming these communication problems to the maintenance staff. Objective: Information System Facilities and Infrastructure, Dell Institute of Technology, especially the IT Dell maintenance section, are expected to be a forum for Civitas Dell to report any damage to Dell's IT facilities and get a maintenance work schedule. The target area is the Dell Institute of Technology. The system will help the Civitas IT Dell community and IT Dell maintenance. System overview. First, current system. The construction of this project was based on problems that exist at the Dell Institute of Technology related to scheduling, maintenance, and damage complaints from users of Dell's IT facilities and infrastructure, where currently the staff still have to see the work schedule and maintenance schedule for facilities and infrastructure manually. In addition, users of IT Dell facilities and infrastructure in submitting complaints about damage to the facilities and infrastructure still use WhatsApp, media, or visit maintenance directly. Especially in this face-to-face period, the working hours and the number of people served by maintenance are very large. Dell Civitas can also do the ticketing to notify the damage that occurred. Submission of work scheduling and maintenance of facilities and infrastructure is still done manually at IT Dell, where in the delivery of the work schedule and maintenance, the staff only waits for the schedule to be distributed and will not do work before the schedule is determined. This is our business process model limitation of current system. System overview, target system. Making this information system to make it easier for maintenance staff to get schedules and maintenance of IT Dell facilities and infrastructure. In addition to schedules and maintenance, this information system also aims to make it easier for the Civitas IT Dell to report to maintenance staff, make it easier for the public to obtain names of maintenance staff and information about IT Dell facilities. In addition to helping the Civitas IT Dell, this website will also assist maintenance staff in reporting complaints from the Civitas IT Dell. This is our business process model limitation of target system. First, fill in the maintenance damage report. And the second is make a maintenance work schedule.
Next, here I will to explain our function. There are 70 functions. Is the first registration function, login function, homepage viewing function, function of viewing profile page, function of viewing the visit and mission page, function view talks and function see organizational structure, the function of viewing the organization personal page, the function of viewing the image documentation of facilities and infrastructure gallery, the function of creating a maintenance report form, work schedule download function, document download function, the function viewing the contact page, function of manage crash report data page, work schedule manage function, manage document function, and last logout function. Next, this is our use case diagram. There are two actors and two actors, users, and admin. Use case scenario registration and use case scenario login.
So this is our entity relationship diagram, or ERD. This ERD is to provide a visual starting point for database design that can also be used to help determine information system requirements throughout an organization. Our ERD have 5 entity diagram with their own relationship. Next is functional requirements. A functional requirements is a description of the service that a software must offer. As we can see in this table, our information have 70 function. Next. And this one is non-functional requirements, define system attributes such as security, reliability, performance, maintainability, scalability, and usability. They serve constraints or restriction on the design of the system across the different backlogs. Next. And this is the concept data model, or CDM. And this is our PDM, or stands for physical data model. And the sequence diagram, this is our first sequence diagrams, is the function of creating a maintenance report form. And the last sequence diagram is work schedule editing function.
Next slide is about the script and the result. As we know, our system has 17 functions. Closing, with this final project one, it is hoped that the result of making an information system for facilities and infrastructure, especially ITDL maintenance, can facilitate maintenance work, report damage, get maintenance contact, get work schedule quickly, and get other documents regarding maintenance or IT facilities and infrastructure down. Next is about demo product.
So this is our website. We're already hosting it. Before we can access the system information, we must log in first with existing account. But if you don't have any account, first you must register. You can register by clicking to belum punya akun, and you just click the registrasi. And in this form, system needs our information to create an account. You just need type down based on your information data. And now we have an account, so we can log into the system. After login, the system will direct you to the homepage. In the homepage, you will be given a welcome sentence according to your username, like selamat datang, and your username as Novrail Gabriel Marbun. And on this homepage, there is some word to explain the website. And so this is the homepage.
All right, on this demo website, I will explain the profile page, where this profile page has 4 drop-down submenu page consisting of the following. The first is the vision and mission submenu page, where on this page describe the division of the ITDL infrastructure and the mission of the function submenu. On this page, there is a description of the task and the function of the ITDL infrastructure. The third is the organizational structure submenu page, where on this page explain the meaning of each of the organizational structure, such as where to, directorate of facilities, maintenance, and coordinator. On the last organizational personnel page, there are names, photos, and social media, and position of each ITDL organization, maintenance.
Gallery is a page that can be used to view photos of facility and infrastructure by category. Actually, there is a photo of maintenance at working in, but we have to contact them, but until now we have not yet obtained the
Next is lapor maintenance. On this page, there is a report form where users of the ITDEL community can report complaints about the infrastructure that maintenance wants to fix. Here, the system only accepts image input in the form of PNG, JPG, JPEG, and not PDF or Word. And selecting the appropriate information, namely, tolong diperbaiki and sudah diperbaiki, and click send. A notification will appear that you have successfully submit the report. And later on the match data table will appear the report data that we created earlier. In the action section, when it click, we will be directed to ubah laporan or change report page where we can change the report we create earlier. Next is undo section. When it click, two submenus appear, namely jadwal kerja and documents. And when we click jadwal kerja, it will display table of data from the maintenance personnel who are working. In addition, above the table, there is a lihat jadwal selengkapnya and undo button. When lihat jadwal selengkapnya, it will be directed to a new page that displays a table of data from the maintenance staff working. Meanwhile, if we click undo, you will be directed to a new page that displays a table of data for maintenance workers working in PDF format. Then click download on the page to download the PDF file. Then the second submenu, documents, when click will display a table containing file with file description, and in the download section, there is the file title which when click will display notification apakah Anda yakin ingin mengunduh dokumen. Then click OK to download. Next is contact section. When click will display the address, email, and phone number of the maintenance. But because we didn't get the data, we also include data from ITDEL.
And the last function in the role user is logout. If you click the logout button, the system will direct you to the login.
Next is login as admin. When an admin wants to manage all user input data, the admin must login first. As we can see, in here, admin menu has same as user menu, but the difference is in here, the data lapor maintenance and the data jadwal kerja and the data document. The system will display the maintenance report data page in data lapor kerusakan maintenance. On this page, admin can view detailed reports such as picture, description of the damage, and the email of the user. Admin also can change the user report, such as aksi, change it into sudah diperbaiki, and change the picture into the new picture. And this will display data lapor berhasil diubah. The last is hapus or delete. And the system will display data lapor kerusakan berhasil dihapus. Next is managing work schedule. Admin can add data by filling in the name of the officier, the date of their work, their time, their location to work, in their work. And the system will display notification data jadwal kerja berhasil ditambahkan. Admin can also change the data according to what they want to change. And when the data is no longer needed, the admin can delete it. The last is to add document data. This page can use by admin if you want to add data by filling in the name description of the file and adding the file. Display dokumen berhasil ditambahkan. This page provides a delete feature for data that is no longer needed. The logout function is used by user and admin to exit the system. That is for all the demo of our product. And for the last is thank you.